Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Before we get started, I want to say Happy New Year to all of you and I hope you had that amazing holiday season. I'm sending you my warmest wishes and blessings. Without further ado, let's get started. Do you have that feeling where you have tons of clothes in your wardrobe but nothing feels right? In today's video, I will share my 7 go-to outfits when you have nothing to wear. Those outfits are perfect for any season and occasions. So first, we will start with super basic outfit of formula, a combination that everybody owns. That is jeans plus t-shirts plus sneakers. Here we have only 2 pieces in this outfit formula. Jeans are timeless pieces that always looks good. This is super easy to put together. Just grab a pair of jeans and t-shirts from your closet. I like to have my not see-through, good quality t-shirt and you're good to go. With this outfit formula, I prefer to wear a white Converse. When it comes to the shoes, for the most part in my life, I wear sneakers because I'm very active, I'm exercising, walking, teaching, so sneakers is my go-to. Also, in Florida it gets very humid and we have only few cooler months, so during the summertime I'm not a fan of flip-flops because they keep falling off and my toes in sand, so I prefer to mix and match sneakers and sandals. With this outfit formula, you can interchange and mix and match these pieces to create a brand new look. Instead of white t-shirt, switch it out to black t-shirt, to tank top, or short, or even spice up with a bright color. You can play around tucking your shorts, halfway, roll up your sleeve, full tuck or no tuck at all. If I don't feel like wearing the blue jeans, I always can wear black, ripped, just to get a different vibe. And then add a third layer. It can be a blazer, moto leather jacket, sweater, bomber jackets that is in trend right now. Since we're in the cooler months, you can definitely add more layers. And take advantage of such a simple outfits. You can add a different kind of accessorizes. The next one is tri-tops. I have to include this one in my small collection of must-have pieces. Tri-top plus pants, tri-top plus jeans, plus shorts. As you can see, this formula has only 2 pieces. Striped t-shirts so versatile, so no matter what your style is, you can always make them work for you. Striped tops are the best pair with matching bottoms, whether they're white jeans, black pants, jeans or denim shorts. This is a nice option for when you want to spend a little time as possible choosing your outfit but still look elegant. There is just something so chic about striped tops and sweater. It might be a bit cliche, but outfits like this really make you look effortlessly cool. Another piece that I found when you have nothing to wear is shorts. If not most of us, then all of us has shorts in the closet. Shorts are really great option when it's warm up and you don't have to wear a pants. They're also very comfortable, whether you're going for the quick errands run or a date. Not to mention, this versatile piece can be styled with different pieces, complementing different aesthetics too. The simplest formula is here, shorts plus t-shirts. You can dress them up with a pair of sandals and a dressy top, or keep it casual with the white t-shirts and a Converse. As you can see, with this outfit formula, you can swipe out a top for t-shirts, short to create a brand new look. Also, you can add a third layer to get a more sophisticated look. A chic way to wear your shorts is to style it with the off-shoulder top. Put on a pair of sandals and don't forget accessorize too. If you're going to wear cold, go for knee-high boots to instantly add the edgy touch to the look. Don't limit yourself to just denim shorts. You can also go for different styles such as cargo shorts, linen shorts, printed shorts. If you're making a statement and want to bring different vibe. Whether you're going to the beach or running errands, this outfit is sure to keep you cool and comfortable all day long. The next one is simple tank tops. Tank tops are having a moment right now. The classic tank top is the must, add to every closet. Whether under statement jacket or paired with the classic denim, the quintessential tank has established its worth and longevity in every closet for this year. As you can see, this formula has tank top and pants, and it has only 2 pieces, and you can add third layer. It can be blazer, sweater, moto leather jacket, or bomber jacket. Top plus tailored trousers plus jewelry. Take this simple approach by pairing a white top, a pair of wide leg tailored trousers. Jewelry is the perfect finish touch to any minimalistic outfit. This is trustworthy go-to when you feel like have nothing to wear. Dress is always good options when you have nothing to wear, especially if you probably have few of these in your current wardrobe already. Plus, they're usually comfortable, which is always bonus. You can accessorize your dress with the jewelry and heels, or keep it casual with flats or sandals. In the winter days, wear with the chunky boots. You can also opt for sundress, your favorite maxi dress, floral dress, denim dress, even your little black dress, and upgrade them with the leather jacket or denim jacket and make them a little more casual for everyday wear this way. Next time when you feel stressed about what to wear, try for reaching a dress. You will feel put together, confident in no time. The next, your faster outfit formula is monochrome. Try to put things together that are matching if they're from the same color tones or color family. Monochromic outfit is the easiest to pull together than you may expect. Monochromic instantly make you look like you put effort in your outfit. Obviously, the easiest is to go for an all-white or all-black outfit. But even if you're putting together a colorful outfit, the shades don't have to match. I love my matching suit. I know this piece go together because they have the same color that I can wear over and over, and it looks fantastic. You can do like a matching suit, gray and gray, or you can go for a little bit elevated with the cashmere set that feels more luxe, less casual, without skipping any comfort on this. I think it looks awesome. I think it looks really intentional and easiest grab and go types of outfit. When the outfit goal is the fun, nothing beats a good denim on denim look. While it might seem very complicated to put Canadian tuxedo at first, it's really easy to create your own version. Denim on denim outfit would quickly take you on the next level. This outfit formula is jeans and denim jacket. To begin, all you need is just jeans jacket or chambray short. This outfit formula has jeans, chambray bottom down, or simply layer a denim jacket over whatever top you have on. And if you feel like you're missing something in your outfit, feel free to add a necklace, belt, bag, sneakers, hat. The accessories will complete your look and balance your outfit. If denim resonates with you, it can be very easy outfit to wear all season long. This is my go-to formulas when I have nothing to wear. Let me know what's some of yours outfit combination. Leave a comments down below, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next video. Bye!